think the snow is piled up against it.
Go ahead, Caleb, push.
Can you get the door open?
No.
Gabriel, I think you need some help.
Yeah, come here, I'll show you something. Look at that.
Hokey smokes.
Look at a couple.
Alright. I'll see if you can get it open.
Holy Toledo. You need to take measures. Look at that.
Alright guys, go ahead.
Hang on. Wait a minute.
Oh wow.
Fingers up first. Maybe that's my actually want to wait a little. Hang on. Let's wait a bit.
Can you help Sierra down? Okay, you got it. Okay.
Come on out, guys. Look at that.
Mommy, Poppy.
Please.
Oh, please.
Alright. Can you come back a little bit here? Let's get in a little bit. This is when you hope that one of these guys that go around in the neighborhood.
So Caleb.
Yeah, I can feel the ice.
Yeah, there's ice underneath it. Sierra, what's taller, you or the snow? Caleb, go stand against the side of the snow here a minute. Here, Sierra, let's see. What's bigger? Sierra's taller.
Yeah, you need a humongous snow blower.
Yeah, I know. Good luck, eh? Why are the trees waving? Because of the wind. The wind is blowing them.
Mommy, can I drive cars?
Drive cars? No.
Wow. This is incredible. Hang on.